As a part of our PGDM program at GIBS Business School, we had an amazing opportunity to visit for idly Fresh Food Factory, which is the world's largest batters factory.
It was exciting to see how their idly, dosa and paratha batters were made on such a large scale while keeping it high quality and fresh. We also learned about their advanced technology, sustainable practices which were truly inspiring.
The visit is not only enhance our knowledge about operations and quality, we also learn about the importance of innovation. Innovation is the secret of their success. From the start of the company, they are been involved in creating in solving the problems of customers and introducing a new ideas for market.
For instance, their vada batter's pouch is a brilliant example on how they solve customer problems.
Some of the keynotes we have taken is teamwork and leadership, because success comes when people work together with a shared goal.
Adaptability is the key to keep up with the change in market needs and customer expectations.
Visiting the idly Fresh Food Factory, which has given an unforgettable experience, it also gives a chance to see how a successful company works in a real-world business.
This visit has motivated us to think differently and work towards our career.
Learning through such experiences make our studies more meaningful.
We would like to thank GIBS Business School and
idly Fresh Food Factory for giving this wonderful opportunity.